What's up, y'all? This your boy Jack, back again with another video. We back again, back on these iPad Air keyboards. This one is made by Chesona. So in my previous video, same company. This one is the backlit keyboard situation. I believe it's RGB. Also, this one has the 360 and the trackpad. So I was really feeling the one with the 360, the ear toe, but did not have a trackpad. And this one you can get on Amazon. Leave the link in the description. This one is 69 bucks. They do have a 5% coupon as of this video, March 2021. So again, you want to get up on it, use the link in the description. In the meantime, help a brother out, do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into it. So I'm assuming this is the same, they're using the same company to produce these, because the box is the exact same. So this one has all this other stuff. So this is the box, real simple situation. So I may have another winner, because I really like that Chesona case. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so it does have that piano black, just like the ear tube, but it does have some branding on the top, as you guys can see. The Chesona. This is the ear tube. Same thing for your Apple Pencil. Little fingerprints here, fingerprints there. Cutouts look exactly the same, because again, it is the iPad iPad Air. So again, you got all three of these, and then just for reference, I'll flip this around. There you go, for protection purposes. Still that hard plastic. Let's see, this is the right one. Yep. So looking around, everything looks pretty much the same as the other one, but this one has a trackpad. Voila. And I think this is where you get the best of both worlds, so to speak. So click this on, see if it's got some juice. It does. Cut these lights off. Boom. This is the brightness. And then in the actual software itself, you can change the colors and stuff. But again, nice and bright. I'll cut that off. And this one flips all the way around. Boom. And the trackpad. Ooh, buddy. Oh, Logitech. Ooh, you might get replaced. I don't know. Because I do like the feeling, like as if you were holding it. I don't want to keep transferring cases and stuff like that, because I don't want to mess with the iPad. But, man, this one has to, oh, man. Ooh. I mean, trackpad is clicky. Keyboard is nice. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of and this one is 2 times the cost less. Ooh. Oh, boy. Boy, we in a pickle here. I'm definitely feeling this one. But, obviously the downside is it does not charge it, so you have to charge it separately. But it is USB Type-C, so you don't have to use a different thing. Man, piano black, man, bro. Got the place where you can set the iPad. Ooh-wee. Decisions. Man, I might just pocket, keep the, because I ain't gonna be really traveling with this damn thing. I might just, pocket the 70 or 80 bucks that I'm saving, because this case is good. It's really good. The feel is good. Keeps everything kind of tight in there, but man, got the recess button. Man, oh man, let's take a look. I mean, I'm struggling, y'all. I am really struggling. This case is good. It's got the protection at the bottom. The other one didn't. This is the open part for the for the pen. This one's good, but I Man, I don't think this is, because I don't use the keyboard enough to justify. I mean, this one you got to do an extra action to kind of flick it out. And then this one kind of just sits there, and it, oh man, keyboard about the same. Oh. This one's a little bit smoother. Ooh, Chesona. I don't think this one's, oh my bad. I don't think this one, the Logitech, even though I do like this. This is like that fabric feel. The rows are essentially the same as the function keys. I don't think this one's $80 better than this. I just don't. I mean, I'm really, no, 100. Yeah, so no, 90. Well, 92. Might as well call it 100. I don't think there's $100 better. I just don't. I mean, yeah, it connects. Got the little magnetic joint. This one kind of sits up a little bit higher. iPad already has great battery. I don't know, folks. Let me know in the comments. But by the time you guys probably watch this video, this is probably going to be back at the store. And I'm going to just be honest. I'm going to just be 100% honest. Man, Chesona, or Chesona. I don't know what y'all done did. Y'all done cracked the code. And this ain't no fingerprints on this one. I think y'all might have cracked the code. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to just keep it a band. I'm keeping this one. Logitech, love your products. Love all this. The extra step versus the... and then this right here, and this protects the keyboard itself so you can use it. Yeah, you're going back. So, Logitech, go ahead, pop this here. I do like this. I do like the little clamp. Man, I could buy a little clamp thing, magnet clamp thing, and still come out $80 on top. So again, hey folks, I think we got a winner for the iPad Air 4. This one gets the tech jacking seal of approval. Along with the other people on Amazon. I think this is the one. Yeah, it says it's #1 new releases, so this one just came out. I think they heard the people. So again, you know, I know I've kept you guys here too long, and if you guys watch to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. It definitely helps the channel. And again, you know, I think we have a winner. So this one is $69 with a 5% coupon on Amazon. The Chesona touch keypad 360 color backlit keyboard. Boom. Just doesn't have the smart connector. So just remember that. So if you really need the smart connector, go for it. But the iPads already have great battery life as is. So again, that's just me. I'm just some guy on YouTube. You know, roll with me, roll against me. Doesn't matter. Love all y'all. You guys take care of each other. Peace.